Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. In the realm of interior designs, modern wall mirror designs ideas have emerged as striking and versatile decoration elements that go beyond mirror reflection. These contemporary mirrors blend functionality with artistry, elevating the statistics of any space. Embracing sleek lines, unique shapes, and innovative materials, modern wall mirrors becoming captivating focal points on the walls. They adorn frameless or minimalist framed mirrors, create a sense of openness and spacious, making them ideal for smaller rooms or areas with limited natural light. Geometric and abstract mirror designs add a touch of artistic flair, infusing a sense of modernity and sophistication to their decorations. Mirrors with decorative frames or textured surfaces bring in extra layers of elegance and charm. Additionally, oversized mirrors create an illusion of expansiveness and can visually transform the dimension of a room. Strategically placing mirrors to reflect natural light or showcase beautiful views further enhances the overall ambience. Whether you choose a single bold statement mirror or a cluster of smaller mirrors in various shapes, these modern wall mirror designs ideas add depth, style, and functionality to your living space, making them an essential and versatile addition to your interior decoration. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.